Hello, everybody. I just come to say good night to all my gals. Every one of you. Oops, got a butt right there. Okay, so we'll start with you, Rachel. Good night, Rachel. Good night, Queenie. Queenie's my girl. She's 6 years old. Good night, Lola. Lola's my big girl. Good night, Lola. Prissy, Ginger. Good night. Now you two behave. These two are trouble. And here's the new girls. We got Maggie. We have Phoebe in the corner here. And Stellar. Stellar's got a mohawk haircut. Good night, Stellar, honey. Good night. Who we got in the little nest over there? Oh, we got Ruby. Ruby's found her little nesting box tonight. Okay, well, good night, girls. I love every one of you. Okay, every one of you. Got your fan cut off for tonight, though. It's a little cool now. So good night. I'll see you in the morning. See you in the morning, Rachel. Good night, Rachel. Queenie. And good night, Stellar. Good night, honey.